My name is Ahmed Muhammad. I came from Oman. I came with my mother. We been here for 1 week. Before we came here, we searching for hospitals in India, which is that look after knee problems, and we found for its hospital as I searching in online, and I have seen Dr. Rajon. He's the one who's look after these things. And we met him and we make a lot of search of testing of their problems. And he did both of my mother legs operation. And alhamdulillah, so far it's so good. We are been 3 days now, 5 days after operation. And she's improving. Day by day, she's better improving, and she start to walking now. And regarding the doctors, we are happy of that doctor who made operation for us.
So this patient traveled from the country of Oman looking for a knee treatment as she was suffering from her knee pain due to severe arthritis. So most of her day-to-day activities were affected as she was suffering from a couple of years. So she was almost wheelchair bound. So when we examined her, we diagnosed it as a severe knee arthritis. So we plan to do the advanced fast track knee replacement for her. Since the patient was overweight, so that comes with certain challenges to operate on her. High body weight with associated comorbidities poses a lot of challenge, so which need a good OR team and good team of anesthesia, ICU doctors and the operating team. So at Fortis, we have a good operation team set up with a good team of anesthesia, ICU doctors. So we were able to successfully perform her knee replacement surgery, and she is already on a road to recovery. So we hope her to walk on her feet without any support in 1 month time and help her travel back to her country in a good shape.
She is very happy and she feel very good after the operation, the hospital, to have a good staying and good hospitality and a good treatment. We find a good treatment here in the hospital, and we recommend many people who look to the good hospitals and doctors to come here in Fortis Hospital.